Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Mwancho mweli karibu nende nobotuko bonde bwechitariki 23 chimutinyo gatano gatatu mwaka wa 2025 no masenje yabe ngo kwaliganya SMS yotemangana maya margo iga nyargo kumanya hali agendereta korekana kuro chingongo ane korogongo rwabusi wikagega yo mucho Nairobi akariki butokideka isato igoro yechinsa isato chiabono botuko yogonkonya asense muye mayitari yonde gutatika nsaro mekerubo tochi gokonya na nere goika omwelio obwe igetoneke mangana maya nditukiyaro nimbato mugani me studio itogochi gokwana mange higonkomo kwanda engineer Hilary Nyanga oyibayigo kobode kergo keria akyobo chumbe asensemo oyebungeria Nyaribari Masaba na seganga yo kuriye kergo kia sentunda yende na yende mbega yokorabo asomwa kuri chube 22 kugichi ayare mutwe arankwalagene tie senchera ire yabene umorogo wabonega Karibu tuchake bene kurwa hase county ya Kisii asewano abochori bwabarai bekiombe kiriki abariki bechi university au nigo bwakorekana rero asensemo ya Keumbu meye county ya Kisii asa abariki bwabo bakarabochori abo asebachora abarai au abo bono barachi kobara nonye nabo nabanyabo nigo abochori obo bwarekana gotwara chitangutangu asebono muteneni bobochori obwate abuna nigo bagucha gokorobo tukibwa bene kobatikana namasakara hayo atoka atanchiraniri aschinsemejo omoriketo ene kugichana na erogo tuchakiri bene amaya chinsa tokorogete seni igensoko TV
obachori bwabarai bekiombe kyabahoroki gwabe chi university ao nigo bwakorekana rero asensemo ya Keumbu abahoroki gwabwo nigo bakora obachori obwo abwase bachora barai ao abubono barachikobara Trevor Minda nero chorwa koba omunyakero gobwe kiombe kyo Justin Mugaka ochorwa koba omo secretary general Esponi Kanarenga nero chorwa koba omo communication director Peter Mugaka ni gatigara libagari yaye koba omugachibwe kiombe kyo abwase Festation Mbongi nera tigara libagari yaye koba organizing secretary Keifan Moinde nero tigara libagari yaye koba omo director bwobochenu.
Now with us are the results which have been stiff, though with the other issues problems which will be sorted out later on a stipulated time. Now this is Nyaribari Chache constituency Students Association election results. We had 3 sensitive positions. We had many, but other positions were unopposed. What I mean by unopposed is that they didn't have other contenders, so therefore they won automatically. Now I begin with the communication director, Isabella Mora got 61 votes. Esbon Kanarenga got 97 votes. We move to another sensitive position, which is the Secretary General. We had 3 competitors, that is Justin Mugaka, we had Ehud Mayoyo and Dixon Obiri. Dixon Obiri got 4 votes. We have Ehud Mayoyo got 72 votes. And Justin Mugaka got 80 votes. And Trevor Binda 78 votes.
My name is Hariminda Trevor Machogu, the President Director of Nyaribari Judges Students Association. Exactly. First and foremost, I want to thank everyone who believed in me and casted his votes on me. Yes. I promise everyone I'm going to be the chairperson of everybody who did not vote for me and who voted for me. Yes. I'm going to make sure that the grievances of all comrades in our constituency are being given the top-notch priority. Yes. I'm going to be your chairman and the chairman of all people.
Nagokire sana sengencho mwangoro kiyo bamo bonene sana kombeka se association empune secretary general ya ino. So ntobamo na inde tokore gasi kulingana muneta keire. Amen. Nje nabo kergo kyobo communication director. Abantu babironga kina bakere mbuya mono. Bali mwa support abo Justus Mugaka. Babo
Gideon ongirigiti abagire mbuya na bari mwezi mwacha kagitu abuire na tikabule mara tuare kagiti kura chinde chikara next year omotie nyonane na omogocha gocha mo na inu moteme kagitu abuire
nore nabo nigo bachori obuo bwararekana gutwara chitangutangu asomoteneneri bwo bachori obuo ateba buna nigo baguchigokora obotuki kubwatekana na masakara yatoka tatakeire ase obachori obuo.
This is Onyancha Bakli, the one who declared the elections, the results of Nyaribari Chache Constituency Students Association. Now, we have held the elections, the results at the OCS office because they have had some issues which are not in order in the guidelines of the constitution of the Nyaribari Chache Constituency Student Association Constitution. Therefore, we'll form a tribunal of a panel of 9 people of my executive, who are the IBC team, and the aspirants, so that we'll look on the way forward on the same. So this meeting, this tribunal will hold it within 24 hours, so that we soldier on and see the way forward on these results. Thank you so much.
Korwa ase ensemo ya Keumbu imea Nyaribari Chache County ya Kisii Koika Broadcasting House and Soko TV Ninche Enoch Gichana Mosinto Onyambane
Mano morikito Enoch Gichana hasora boti yorwa century yobwekanu koro chinseme cho chake umbono togoska mutu mwanche mwireria unanchira yemo uyogotinye hebiegwa ao himaye county ya Kisii ni gori tukuria rero umugabana habwe county yo ya Kisii omuske Paul Osimbarati acha kibene kimeno kyaye ekyo ogekoro kwabuna eta ya tournament imegeti yeskuru yoboroso ya Masakwe PAG imeye ward ya Sensensemo oyebunge ya Kitutu Chache South uyogotoka imeye county ya Kisii abarai ao higati ya umurikyo mwane bwa bwerania Meyense ya Kenya Steven Saboke Solicitor General Shadrack Mose amono nyenigo amono muchumbe bwensemo yebunge ya Kitutu Chache North Jafet Nyakundi muchumbe bwensemo yebunge ya Nyaribari Chache Zahir Janda amono yegati y'abarayibanda abange nigo bayikarana iryo komusira esegetambe kikiya ikego kinie byegwa na bigo nigo bono Simbarati ateberu na kitimu kirache gutangana wikera omweryo obwe December ye nigo barayego siringi 2 million yemo kerayemo.
Leta ingine pia hapo. Sasa leo
tutambua uwepo wako pia
kidogo na wageni tusonge hapa
Roige tuachire launch a tournament ye governor Okisi ego cheswa ase chi sublocation 273 Mopiroyo wakwa Korwe sublocation 273 Chiwodi 45 Mopira wabangina wabagaka Okominyoka Ogotera na Kumusengoli na abantu ababonse etimu entangani esebi kunde byonse millionaire etimu ya kabiri 750,000 gatatu 500,000 ababande banse gaiga torenga kitoko ba bekabiya mugende nyomba muragere abantu bakonge toiwana ine
kuyamono bona rere nacha kuchiunga mkono no mwana minto governor oitwanjite gusions na Kenya ngima egente kachaka governors tournament or governors cup momaye mangana imichesa ya chakire imichesa no gusiye abantu bagitenge imichesa ne imichesa lakini imicheso ebwate bintu kata nkoletere chibesa kotere content to creative economy ande abantu abangi bana barimo korora bawucheze imipira menge bakora chibesa nyingi sana
asama lieta ngoro kwa Evan Sachoki ongo kolega asiase wizara ya michezo igo ekarona chaga igo na tumwa ntebenga we will partner with Kisii County kufanikisha hii michezo ya Etaya tournament. Kwa hivyo Mheshimiwa Governor, yangu ni kuhakikishia kwamba tutashirikiana tuhakikishe kwamba hii tournament imefaulu.
Esenge ncho watoro kiriyama skani unaba Kitutu osokolete tournament yeye etakere bo Kitutu gaiga. Elia kabere gabana Icheko gwakera mbuya mono eseng'encho abukare ntwa wateme chando yechipara lakini gwetera ebiragita biri byao na national government bono iga chipara cheito chonsi pi chiarabire maine oseyaya
amacha arenge mechando tindanya ikranions lakini naena niramache kere ward chipara na rosri chipara bono iga chigo cha kwera kilomita 1000 amabere y'abana ba ECD 51,000 abana ba ECD Mambia Jumatatu abana 42,000 ba grade 1 na grade 2 kwenye barama be nega asinde gusinega asinta William Ruto
na tuguska mutu mwancho mweria twenda osoro botiro ndasibono ekiombe kiria kigokora buringori bwoborai igia Center for African Progress CAP nigoritko oria rero kia gwatuke roboti igoro yoborai bwebunga ya Kitutu Masabe gotoka ime county ya Nyamira busyo bochorio bwene bumwaka w'icibere 2025 nebere korengana nekiombe kyo nigobono byasangiritie birengera lyo kurwa asa bakichikura chiri bwisatu asomo chumbe obono wensemo ebwebunge yo Clive Ombanege Sairo atangaine asokwegwa koboko kugendera no borai busyo bochorio bonne Michira migiro nero yoyo kabere asabona Shadrack Mose uyu obwetu asobochori obonne buri bwete mwaka w'icibere nebere nero yo katatu ase oraboti rwa bwatukwa.
My name is Onchari Oyeyo and I am the operations manager for the Center for African Progress. Today's press briefing focuses on a research which was done in Kitutu Masaba constituency by the Center for African Progress, and we wanted to find out the nature of the politics that is being played as we approach the 2027 general election. Kitutu Masaba constituency is the largest constituency in the county in terms of the number of registered voters, number one, and then number two, the total population. Now, this particular study was conducted between the 17th and the 20th of August, and it was done through random sampling using a sample of 3,000 respondents. Kitutu Masaba constituency has a total number of 106,269 registered voters distributed throughout six wards. Now, in terms of distribution of voters in the wards, the highest number of voters are found in Rigoma ward, which has 19,808 voters, followed by Manga ward, which has 19,212 registered voters. Number 3 is Igesima ward, which has 19,057 registered voters. Kemera is number 4 with 18,264 registered voters. Kachuba is number 5 with 16,245 registered voters. Magombo comes in last at 13,683 registered voters. 559 questionnaires were sent to Rigoma ward, 542 to Manga ward, 537 to Gesima ward, 515 to Kemera, 458 to Gachuba, and 386 to Magombo ward. We didn't disclose the names of these candidates to the respondents, but instead we allowed them to give us the names of the people they know. So the first name that popped is, of course, Clive Giseiro Ombane, who is the current member of parliament. There is Clive Owora, there is Shadrack Mose, who is the one who was beaten in 2022 by Giseiro Ombane. There is Edward Obocha, Bivon Magare, who is called Leke Viriti. There is Davis Michira Magori. There is Kosiga Mamboleo, Atati Mose, James Misati, Walter Mwenga, Geoffrey Onsongo, and Okara Obaga. Those are the names that popped up.
Na togoska mutumwa nchimugiriria bono twende siasa achinsi ya Kenya somurai wiki amakeria gia DCP Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua nigagenderere komochi ho waziri woborendi bwaime osoko bwatakana n'ababegu abo baguturuba n'imesangirikano oyege siasa imeyense ya Kenya kukwana korose kanisa ya PEFA All Nations Church ime ya Karatina e county ya Nyeri. Gachagua nigobo iga hamochiri omurai bwense William Ruto asogote makobaga n'orogongo orwa Central elio chikura cyobo cyoryo bonne chichikogenda around ya kabere kobwatakana n'echikwana Gachagua litwale tango turaligirelia inkwani hiyo.
Inchi umewachilia vijana watoto wamejaza goons in the republic. You cannot tell the difference between the police and goons. Umechukua kijana mdogo mtukutu umempatia docket ya interior, ako na 104 gangs ndio anawapatia pesa kuumiza Wakenya. Akiulizwa juzi anakuwa very arrogant. Anasema nyinyi mkisikia goons wako pahali, don't go there. Can you imagine? Instead of police dealing with those goons, this minister ya Ruto anasema wewe ukisikia iko goons pahali wende upigwe shauri yako. Because he is the owner of the goons. He has 104 criminal gangs that he is funding to terrorize Kenyans. And that is why he is arrogantly telling the people of Kenya that police will not deal with goons. The government will not deal with goons. It is your job to find out where the goons are and keep away from goons. So, akijaza goons everywhere, tutaenda wapi? Unless tuende Tanzania ama Uganda. What kind of advice is that from Minister of Security? Instead of police dealing with the goons, at you are telling Kenyans, if they hear they are goons and police confirm they are goons, you keep away. If the police confirm they are goons, why can't they deal with the goons? Huyu William Ruto tunataka kumtoa. Na tumepanga na imekamilika. Na mwenyewe anajua. Ameshauriwa na watafiti ya kwamba mambo yake imeharibika. Amekataliwa kila pahali katika Jamhuri ya Kenya. Ameambiwa ile njia tu moja anaweza rudi ni akigawa hii kura ya Mlima Kenya. Kwa sababu hii kura ni karibu milioni 8 ambaye imeamua kumfukuza. Ikiunganishwa na Wakenya wengine tutamshinda round 1. So ameambiwa ajaribu wagawanye mlima ndio tuende runoff. Ndio tukienda runoff ahonge wale watashindwa awalete pande yake. Kwa hivyo ndio aende round 1. The mountain must be one. Na lazima mlima iweke kura yote kwa kikapu moja. Na ndio sasa pale Mount Kenya East amechukua Kindiki na minister anaitwa Roko. Anawaambia wagawe Mount Kenya West East waitoe kwa mlima. Hapa Mount Kenya West ametengeneza tuchama tu wheelbarrow ya kudanganya watu. Ndio wagawe kura hii ya Mount Kenya West na wale wagawe. So nimekuwa nikitembea jana nilikuwa Embu na iko sawa. Wazee wa Embu wamekataa. Wamesema wameitwa na Kindiki, wameambiwa wazee tusaidie kugawa mlima. Wazee wanasema tangu zamani kazi ya wazee ni kuleta watu pamoja, ni kuleta jamii pamoja, na wazee hawezi kubali kugawa mlima.
Wancho mwe cha butukire jidaka hemerongevere yore chinse sato chiaba no mambia ayona atwa kwarganete kuremesa mungana maya haye eketesini kyo kyabene gen soko TV kono to masuska ikotoko so asentunda ya kabere sentuna to bwato mogenione oikirime studio omorogo bonega to chiko kwanira mange ane siasa kiri chimurengete munyari bari chinse moye bunge nyari bari masaba nkomo kwandra ade nkomo kwana engineer Hilary Nyanga oyu asentuna enende obegete birenge libiaye ne oya masibo ya bgonsi osoko ligia chikura chi ensemo ye bunge nyari bari masaba bosio botolyo bonne ebu mwaka ogocha Thomas Goska kerimotu niko tokana to chikonyore nkwana ya masa ya monere engineer Hilary Nyanga.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso bumugusi onye kubwatari bolyo obosemia gusekero kende gyonsigoro yemirobiri yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakeresimi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri ukurye email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service itego tukasamaga Hazina Towers egoroba ya 5 na limo asumucho munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV oboroso womugusi.
Richi kondi ririri, how are you my good people? Hopes mukopoa. So again donale ko batebi this coming Monday nongare Ensoko TV oya show tora mono mugwano yokurunga taldi tutakuwa tukipiga mastori. So kuanzia saa 8 mpaka saa 9 momo chaka kiso imetoa ke story richi kondi ririri.
magega ya televishoni ya soko gwikasero yao kwanyoribaga ligi yaliyokuraria asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeriroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuraria gukwenyuria ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono nabokonyoribaga lyabene liyokuraria asegete senieke aseriguri liyakibusani turikere gose twakere simigwitire na Yobonjoria 0788666662.
My name is Albert Omariba. I'm the principal of Kitwebe Technical Training Institute. Kitwebe Technical Training Institute is a government institution situated in Nyamira County. We admit our students as from Standard 8 to Form 4 across all departments. Our students receive help and capitation from the government, therefore there is no worry of the fee payment. And our students pass very well in all departments, and we are able to achieve 90% pass.
Ni kweli Kitwebe Technical Training Institute ni chuo ambacho kimebobea na kinatoa mafunzo katika kiwango cha diploma, certificate na artisan katika kozi zifuatazo: Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Building and Civil Engineering, Fashion Design, Cosmetology, ICT, Business Management, Water Technology, Hairdressing and Beauty Therapy, Social Work and Community Development, Plumbing, Welding, kati ya nyinginezo.
We are having a May intake 1-1. We have 8 departments, and we have the Center of Excellence in Fashion and Design. We are actually the best in this region. This region means Nyanza and Western. So we are welcoming students who can seek admission to undertake courses and training in our various departments. So welcome to this community and learn, get the skills, and then from there you can be self-employed or you can seek for employment. Thank you.
Vile tuna short courses za computer packages na German language. Kitwebe Technical Training Institute. Skills for self-reliance. Nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri uguchachirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene chinga kichonsi ebenga kieriberera gosenga kiyobokendu tawe chanika Autobat Kenya Limited no tulegigiga asengenchao nigo tokorosia na koni chipetri uratumia chinga kichonsi chibetri uratumie asegari enke ebasi no nyaneli kurukuru.
Tunapopitia pale kwa gari yako tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka na battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof. Kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss. Kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wakuja mstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Eye Nensoko TV Uboroso Bumugusi.
Karibu sana mwancho mwelio maragobonde tokumera na ase entunda ende ya kabire asensemo bono yenkwana ya bene tuchukwana monere engineer ila nyanga uyikirime studio na ndege tekare sana tuchukwana mangana mangije ge siasa neganga yaye yokulie kirukiria ha kiasemo yebunge ya Nyaribari Masaba ense county ya Kisii kirukire bona ge karansire nere Daniel Manduku na nyinyi niko tuchukwana mange karibu sana engineer
biamono sana
nidomo kokora waikire gaiga nabo antinda anyasa nane bakugutambulisha na bakuiria kamera ya ugaria kutambulisha kabisa
njia sama lieta yangoro ku engineer Hilary Nyanga iganso mete paka level ya masters ngolete BSc Civil Engineering University of Nairobi, MSc Project Management Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology. I got a comprehensive course in application of construction technology in Japan, and many other courses, including 45 number courses as a Kenya School of Government. Na jagito and orekerere Kenya government training institute pakega chenjia kwa Kenya School of Government aliloa kabeta na college course wetani 45 short courses which are aimed at improving efficiency in handling work and human resources. Yeah.
Mgemono chikosi chiwa 45 ichi nyingi sana kwa kworokia kwa ruchidali lichobora yesemi yake mengi na ane hasa matukabangi kwara ete hiake buna umachia person caretaker committee sobora iwari ngoro wasio kuna ora wakote bakana ko butangani bura buruchinde chionsi ase ekembekiri ye engineers labda ngakikuwa karote ngakimwene getimba kamugocha wikirana na gochora barai
institution of engineers of Kenya, the institution of engineers of Kenya, batu warobo koragori owetana nilioma na linyingi sana uchagera umutienyi okane mwakoyo ase yawe na tutwaro urai wogo chenjia urai koru one council to the next ono bagatwaro kuomana okonge sana bakaira na kotini aba engineer bali bonse pi bali 24,500 bakaikaransa ina a special general meeting alia sagru kwa United Kenya Club na anda bande barenga online unanimously bagatewa rangiri engineer Nyanga abe chairman anavigate ya manganaya yebura buru egendrete atubangiro burayi yoburonge oroba toereru tonyora new council nangerende aso koboya soyo mo bana araire kurende ekiombekyo before na baraite buna chairman ya functions in the early years of 2000 ngayana ngaba treasurer ekelende treasurer njira agurite nyumba ndangani yaba engineer Riara Road tukagule nyumba kuna ejikopa office na inde after a short while tuka plan again tukagura office block eyere top plaza tukate floor ingima so bagandebya tutege tutangane njirende nganjirana muno muntu utagite korore ekiyama kyaba engineer nge basokobagana kila gosoro rubune ontune ngaena ngatenenera kurumei ngabeka abantu baliye komiti yana na etwe tukaikaranza tukagamba tukarana kitoko kogendalia mangana yaba engineer tali gaiga Kenya kale ntubwate paka Washington Accord as to associate paka Africa aba engineer ba Africa bonsipi chama ya itongo associate yere ne bwate roles yego play. So I've been handling all those things. Kurumei, paka mwana naba ngeto burai, paka chorana, tariki 19 tukaba swearing in is the first one mbanya ko swearing in council nje na decided that yato swear abantu into office bali kiama bali ira mbaji kwa lende buruburu na inde asita buyenereti so ngakoraki babeka ime bono twakorere part handing over ujie new council egara bachage egasi aba engineer Kenya mbabwate role ba players amana development chi institution injire asitogo twara direct nomination aba engineer ba ko mu engineer ucho ba board member maybe in convention a few organizing the roads authorities Kera Kura Kena nkutwara the road nominee ya kurwa the institution of engineers of Kenya Roads Board National Construction Authority ina chagete njena chagete in Kenya gana beta appointed na the late president Mwai Kibaki imbe secretary ya inquiry agaro mwaka the late Simon Nyachaya alingi minister ya public works ngachoru gali akere nyumba ya Nyamakima building ya collapsed ngachorwa ntenenere na kitura rosie regulation regulate construction industry in Kenya ngaikaranza ngarosia n'abantu twanachore twa lecturers bande be university and other senior engineers so asobisi yana nabugata alia Hill Plaza ngaikaranza ngarosia a document agara ya approved the cabinet ngate one of those regulations meaning the act yokorosi NCA ngarosi NCA the act tukakora na Nyachae paka 207 that was 206 agara na joleto 207 tukaswaji kurejea chiense chia Kenya mwaka Nyachae kaua na Dr. Monda ekera bugwa ekera kwa hand over to Michuki akamotebie assignment nena edune president na nyidigerengera but the officer I was working with no aligaiga he handed me over as a Michuki we worked with Michuki paka to act after reviewing the cabinet memorandum ikaba approved na cabinet ikanapaka parliament the act was put in place tukajaga wano korosia para state we National Construction Authority ina roseti ngaenda paka World Bank nga negotiate for a grant bakange grant yoko warajigali na office equipment nga set up offices in the 41 districts former districts chia Kenya before tutara swap devolution to what 41 districts so jigali jiringa ura 13 vehicles chia lenga among them 3 Prados for the senior managers nga second senior managers from various ministries ngabalenda NCA nga sign their letters tukaikaranza naliomo shimiwo burajire una minister for public works tukaikaranza tukajore body entangani I was guiding of course under the policy direction ya a minister tukajore body entangani tukakora agara tuakora bakati they want to put a substantive MD or executive director because I acted as executive director 2010 paka 2011 for 1 year nalio mheshimiwa Manduku ajete akachorwa I handed over to him so I formed National Construction Authority and I always say nje naligete Manduku wa serikali because he was in private.
The sitting MP.
The sitting MP ajariwa alimasaba.
You are against Neresen tunende.
I'm not against. Yeah. We just want to ask there. Aba na inchi bachoro burayi buronge.
The community burayi buronge according to you.
Currently buronge.
Yeah. Chiro kukwandra amange ngiyogara butari buronge. Korende toko license me ya AK. Nimbwate elibolio. For the first time ukarenga mwaka tabachori electric.
Electronic voting system. Chitabula any complaints tukakora tukatwara election dispute board tonyeje already ganye with the recent dispute nobody came up with one tukakora audit of the electronic voting system we did an audit of it tukakora tukanyorambu yake chikura cha kolete chiagetu tukaboli aba members Are you satisfied about that? They are satisfied. But we shake hands. Yeah, there is no complaint at all.
So kwa mangana kwenda koti chikoti kina koti there is no
hakuna.
How was the experience electronic voting system?
It's very nice when handled well. When you don't have bias or biased interests, that is the best system, because it is just you get the voters spending less than even a minute in voting, and the results are transmitted to the center. Yeah. Command center.
Command center. Barenga no bocheru butangania sebi ombento bate byonge buna LSK nkora bocheru wabo bako manyo kurende seke no kora ke restep en sana mtu chikugenda sama kama tunayo. Anyway, totaracho kwa swasa mangana siasa na Nyaribari Masawa mheshimiwa Irari. Kwa bere National Construction Authority kwa nyachageti kwa bere seke ombeke ke mpaka bone bado naore. In your lifetime ngabo una bokali buno mo engineer. Anene kwa Somali University of Nairobi, abana mbali baba kurukuru University of Nairobi, Kenyatta University, Kisii University bakara mangana engineering. Have you tried to observe them? Anene maybe kwa ngorora Nyaribari Masawa go so mwana kurigesa ukyomo gusi watemere ko observe into the system na ko bakonya mangana internship ayo hari mechande sense ya Kenya na making sure Kenya na bare some internship in various ministries in Kenya.
Abuna bandora akonyire sana. Kana arenge ekerowe ministry as chief engineer structural. Lakini ginda agotebia I grew in the system. Kana na soete serikali engineer soete serikali kuri university. Ngalikwa a ministry. Nga grow in the system kuru assistant engineer paka na go the chief engineer structure of the Republic of Kenya. Internships abana abange muno na thousands. I've also mentored. I've mentored so many of them as a engineering. Among the few I can tell you I've mentored, nima ya mbata kiteguri mbata kumanyana kurugusingo nimbuato mudogona Dr. Sungura, whom I mentored in the ministry, Nkamuligere Scholarship, is working in German as a risk manager, a train bullet train, called Austria to German.
Bullet train.
Sungura, bullet train. There is another doctor on the Eliakim from Kitutu Chache. Now at a scholarship in China, is now a lecturer at the University of Kenya, Kenyatta University. Abande is koiga abange sana. I cannot even count. Abande baba achire baka isiko. Now, apart from that one, na the next school ya Moi Gesusu, when a chairman. The performance was very, very low. I can a chairman, 2008. In Kalenda, kwa motivational prizes as a science. In Kalenda, kwa wana science, the best performing science student, to some token of a prize to wajaka like that. Abana wono, we moved in the performance of science, but wagarokia matokea maya sana. Baachira bandu baso wa America, bagora engineering, paka UK. Bago ngagira jismi bante ina mbuya mono for your guiding leadership. Kuruwase skuru ya Moi Gesusu. Ngarusie performance ya lenge 4 paka 9 point. Again do it or 9.8. Yeah. Again do it 2020. Yeah. Yeah, Moi Gesusu. The population raised from about 300 students paka 2,600 students. Abunga gajiri geometry labs, the science labs, administration block Kenya, ebinte vinge sana, and many other infrastructure.
Miyamono kabisa. Togo cha ase nseme ngao. mwacho mugire tugante gukwana anere engineer Hiran Nyanga huyu obegete ngaya yo soko liye kirogo okio obuchumbe nsemo yunginya nyanyabanyari bari masabe gutoka me county area aya Kisii na borete mwaka wa 2022 wetere tigiti area aye kiama ya kanu kuri nende boneka nkana ari gocha gote kiama kiare ni ya kanu gose kiama kya uchikubona karokio asentundeye ya kabere habate makara gosina nyare ko baga kubonge kirogo kibose bochoryo bwene mwaka wa 2022 na botorikera en message wetere se mutandao yetu ya Facebook ensoko TV digital gosegari YouTube goto live ayiga bogwa kesimi ese nambere sesiki mwancho mwire aya masemo oboli hamaswari daktari Hiran Nyanga onye kobwate libolyo aneli rigete ensemo yebunge nyaribari masaba daktari indi waswete siasa indi eganga yogo swa siasa yachite
siasa ya academic ekerende university nje na format engineering students association in 1981 University of Nairobi. I started Engineering Students Association, ESA. Ngamanya gocha, Granari Gwe Ministry, nga soa siasa ya cooperatives. I've risen up to the national treasurer ya Ufundi Cooperative. Ufundi Cooperative. Bandu wali baagedwe bomu area next to the American Embassy, next to Cooperative House. Nje nalinge treasurer kere bomu yagetu. Kere bomu yagetu, I was actually I missed by a whisker because I was rushing there to go and sign members' checks. Lakini bomu yaga when I was on my way. Na ono muswatu agambete kama secretary manager njede nganyoro kule. Because on phone na moteti abege file boardroom. Njikorora kwende njiko signeria abantu mnyoke for a site meeting in Atriva. Lakini it never occurred. Bono I worked very hard. I negotiated with the Americans after the bomb blast. Ngatwara meeting over 100 as a Parklands temporary office in American Embassy with the different people because our records were destroyed completely during the bomb blast. So I was trying to reconstruct the records with a few things I had and my head. And I was able to convince them. They bought a new building for Ufundi Cooperative on the street Moi Avenue. Moi Avenue Street. It's just next to Koja Mosque here. Yeah, so I left that one. When Madeleine Albright came to Kenya in 1998, I was among the 3 people who were given chance to talk to the Secretary of State of America. It was MD Erastus Moridi of Cooperative Bank, Mr. Shah of Pioneer House, which was also affected, and the treasurer of Ufundi, Engineer Hiran Nyanga. And I was given time, first 1 minute, and then they added me another 2 minutes to talk to her because I explained our case, and she even invited me to address the Congress in America. By that time, I was junior. My PS said, this is a junior person, he cannot go to America to go and represent.
Higo siasa ichaga soete kare sana. Ene ntuna yakabiri kubolia obo chumbe asense mwunge nyanje bali masaba.
Na boli 2022. This is the second time.
2022 gaswa sikurukia bo chumbe bwanya libali masaba karenga ni kyama gya kanu
azimio
karenga ugakora libaga lya gatano.
Na wabegete igo. There was a lot of irregularities.
How?
Ngwaro je hendo gelingia giete petition in Kisii. Again, a petition, it was not handled properly. Again, during the petition, there were ballot boxes missing, which were identified from a polling station, which is hardly 200 meters away from the center, the polling center at Moige Susu. Tallying center was. So we were wondering how can those ballot boxes get lost between a distance of less than 200 meters. You can even carry it by your head, and those were some of my stronghold. A lot of things were done, although now that's what under the bridge. So there was a lot of irregularities including violence By the way, violence, my vehicles and my people were beaten thoroughly a day before the election. Yeah.
That night.
That night, and then they were beaten next to the police station in Masimba.
So engineer so wenge to chikura chiri bwinye chimenye na meronge tane bere kwa na 4,478 I think. That was like 10.3%. You are not satisfied with them back today.
I will never be satisfied because I know what happened. And even all the other people know. Yeah.
You follow the right procedure kunende kina.
But yet, me, I didn't want to go for a query and or petition. But my colleagues, but yet, a petition. Yeah.
Chikura chibo choriwo mwako chimuronge bere nitane bere mbosi chire nende kwa bekere ganga yao asimitandao ya online kurandore ground kuyuriro bochumbo kurende kwarekanire ngakora wa munyoro nkoro chwa munyoro personally na mureweke magia DCP na net poster chiao niko chikoro kirangi ya Jubilee anene insiasa kiyo chesa chikadi nchiro chesa yagati
United opposition. We are in the united opposition. Wamunyoro, Jubilee, those are all in the united opposition.
But united opposition, Kirumondonari united opposition ya sema yae. Gashona united opposition na DCP. Matiana united opposition na bara ibara kwa libero niyo chumbe ba united opposition lakini bare asense mogete. Tubate DCP, tubate Jubilee, tubate yama buna Wiper Democratic Front. Ingayura ibono. Wamunyoro Jubilee no wate chibicha chao chio vegete chianga cha Jubilee na funkora kanole kwa rekene wa munyoro anene bado igorengete gose mucheso kyo gochesa mucheso yingo chesa I'm trying to play my politics within the united opposition tali mucheso ngochesa because when you go back home, don't want a presidential candidate, Matiang'i. So we will campaign for him. So you're coming in for Matiang'i?
Yeah.
You are Kanu,
I will decide. It is a party within the united opposition. Yeah.
Kanu united opposition?
Kanu, I don't think it has not even shown where it is currently. Yeah.
So basically you are in united opposition but to declare interest the party you are going to vie with. United opposition yabere kigutwara amangana mange anene chikampeni chino chabere kwa chigo turubani bwa kermo kwende chikampeni kwa chikampeni choga ndete meyani nyabali masaba kwa bere in any way kwa bere assaulted na the goons abangu autumiko matoka bangu how do you carry your campaigns personally?
Yango debinje na renge casualty ntangani 2022 abantu bane baitetwe sana. I told you the day before elections egali ane gatu sana and I have not repaired it pakabaona iganyitiete egali ane atetu itetu na abantu bagwata makombe and one of the people baitete egali ane nere constituency manager because yekina nabe gite Masimba gekagenda igende ngere paka Kisumu. Yeah. Bagaita gari, bagaita my driver, bagaita my brother. They are hurt to them.
Next campaign is chaboniga,
chiabono, njetina cha campaign. Yeah, I'm just talking to people.
On the ground.
The ground I'm there. I don't have to go for the other campaigns which people are talking about. Njengo kwa nande na bantu. Yeah.
Yes, chaboniga, tora koba attacked because tora chaka campaign.
Ego njetina agenda mangana campaign outright. Yeah.
Tego batkanchi campaign icho yokuliye kyo bare bwense ko rwango rwagusi tego toke chi campaign icho.
Asengo toka na matanga, asengo yana go console families. Yeah.
Nakira kwanire enganengere ntakweta libere emergency ya Kenya. Ane si abasai bagutumika obe guturwa n'imituru emisange kone siasa tukarra kisemo cyana kuru mukonyi bumara yoro mu kwibumira bwense weke magadisi higa yako gako mochega tia babunge wense meyo tukarra linda mwananchi kisemo cha Homa Bay habari abakaba bako mochuma isamale. Nakira kwane the rise of
ndonda aba abamuraba usabana abagutumika se kolenda oko misasa abantu ase babwate ideas really different kurwase bale batiga mangana because abantu mwanya abantu babera bangaini sana no barwani naki nyore ba decide ri na ngai ba jikobeke kura na ba jikobeka igo tutige amangana yoko umisana through ba kaguni siman gangsters egere tokole siasa yo molembe siasa yoko iwanana siasa yoko ruwa mangana asomono tali gutumia chingundi osemete ya makombe tutiga mangana ikabisa na ida bantu baragera mangana yatiwe na barai ya abarai na uno no bako instigate kwerende abarai batekane batagetigo korora gise yega bireyo they will stop that particular day.
Engineer, personally ngakio campaign ngakio kutumika chikambeni chao ngakio kata chikambeni chao kero kwenda SMS ankone matange misange kana yo kwana naba na inchi maybe asichiro kutumika kwa mukira basa indero kanuko watu mu baromo ne bwabantu
nje ndini basa igeta tini ko imukia lakini abantu manyanyete ya nje bagondo kanyankoronda bo
tego muke bantu inde bachiko kwani waterere tali yao
tinda imukia so far yeah but ni mbwa abantu on the ground we ngokwana na barabo bakwana n'abantu we garante gituko gamba n'abantu bange chikura injira yane nere ngogamba na barabo injira yane
aya mbuya amono mwanchu mwe cha butko jideka hemeronge 5 ni 3 igoro chinsa so cha bono butuko kwana to kwana nere engineer Hira Nyanga oyo begitega ngaya ya sentone ya kabiri kuriye kero kiryo bochumba sensemo ya Nyaribari Masabe gutoka ase county ya Kisii iyo ikaboniga he bunge kura wa mune Daniel Manduko yo kabire omwMD Kenya Ports Authority engineer ibintu ne binge obegete ase manifesto cha na tekuliriria agriculture farming education hamangana water na yebuno mu engineer hamangana yechibara timeti the whatever ngamagenda tragenda Nyaribari Masaba tocha kirangoro no kuru mwe biense mo ya farming Nyaribari Masaba nigemenye kinesane sekemedi giechai amo ikagwake timeti ngikira kwa nere igoro what did you have to improve nkyo de chokrinde kwene kinga nkonyaro ko bakogotire birengo byo omomo muri mwe kemedi giechai nabego intobate factory ya kyamo kama nkonyangano erese nsemo yebunge yawo ngati kiri kimurekere mono na umuremyo bereko ba gakorera kananga te konyara engeri eringi ya sana tokorera sekira squeeze akungusa no koroga tia baremi abatene bari bechitundu bari batene bechi factory gete naboigo inki no bekete kindi yonse kwene kinga omuremi ngochera ko kagoseka omweri bori tuko asebunga ya onya bawo chigochora no muchumba gwense mo ya
diangwana iga abalemi babwene bakonyu sana bali bakolema ebimeri yawa no butugi bw'ekyombe batagete oburayi boko beka ko ba advice nagibo nto gukora egere no namaguri akoreki agende igoro gubwate bale gikwere instruction giritake asobolemi egere cha the quality ebe ya igoro iri akabere kipara njire chingia egere cha ete konyorwa si buying centers because ye cha egere konyorwa buying centers the quality yako koraki yako enda inse aso buye cha yako koraki ko reduce uga enda inse igo wikatuligereria mangana ya access ye jipara jikurusie chae kurwa buying centers bage factory are they being done on time egere na dirigoliye chae akoreki yagende igoro abayiboliye ngo babale consulted none kere ubuyo bokogoro because mbabugate their own organizations bali ngolenta ebintu ebyo na gitura akole tutebi na abaremi bechae baye ku some level of independence egere ba determine na gichae jo koreki ejo kina the quality na even asobonge ase kwerende egere factory yarani at optimum level.
Is that in your manifesto?
It is in my manifesto. Apart from that one ya sobolemi na akole binde binge no intali parliament ogende kiamu kama the fresh produce market ya ere egujugo cha kabono iga echi arengi sano Kenya when I was coordinating construction as the chief engineer structural ngaruane ya meka ndakiamu kama nero ya ere bono iga aya asobole mibonde tutagete ukuligira mangana value addition ya avocados, bananas none ichingeni egera abalimi bali bakwenda kulima ebintu ebyo banyora good prices for their produce. Their sweat feels like it's compensated. Ebine bintu tubwena tokora asabarai. We also need to look at market, to liye market as leaders. Balimi bawo kuli market banyara like outside the country. But abarai now bakuli market. Because there are so many people who consume amangana avocado, bananas. Mpura kwa una moranga baligeri abantu babo market amangana avocado. They are doing very well, and even mangoes in Europe. Lakini abantu baitu kwa yure bakora gento kabiri our leaders.
Timeti gosine biro chiko parliament gose how do you feel that abari baito kwa chief card ntu kwa nitore kurende kanyara chia centre chiko enda ngumbu echa gusi chiko cha muduru.
Well, market it's not even a bill in parliament. It is self-sacrifice and commitment as a leader. Because I go outside the country, I know where those things are eaten. I have friends outside there. I can ask them, we want to assist our farmers. We want to get a market here. And we can surely get that market. Yeah, outside with the good prices. Yeah.
Amangana ye kengeri amangana bonus ya bari mbecha bekengeri yecha go vary from central to maybe to Nyanza and another one go Ruabusi. Timeti no what any plan you go connecting maybe there's something, maybe even there is a bill in parliament you're connecting all farmers, they get the same bonuses no matter where they come from, because they are supposed to get the same bonuses, but also we must have good quality tea, because the quality will determine the pricing. We must encourage our farmers as leaders. This is the process and procedure of growing a quality tea. Nagimoko tuale emeli viraji kutuala magoli wasi kwende elia esumuilia tagira sechai level gete eike, so that it compares with the other areas. Yeah. But as I told you, mostly it's buying centers because of infrastructure. Yeah, it is not there. You want infrastructure.
Infrastructure, the roads. Yeah.
Maybe quality of the tea.
Yes. It does. But it get go to factory. It go susana kana kurusi kwenda. Kurusi it is quality. Yeah.
Omugusi no muntu manyikene sana asamagana yo bonjero limense ya Kenya kwenye warasale egarangetia mangana yibyasara wikatu arasaga yako kare byasara chichiyo na kiregento ari bari masaba timeti wose nchira modern marketing kore ngama simbere iko chikoyara gose ya ere timeti
masimba
ya ere go chikomu kete traders timeti wose no rengeretinga population yere nyari bari masaba nene sana no rengereti kende yonsi ana neje go chikone kinga abonchiro lya kuru ensemu yibunge yao ko bari na good condition apart from one market yere masimba modern market kera karoka eko bakona liye parents karoka nyanya masaba
no nyane market no ina ese kubekwa do we have accessibility to waji pare chingia amatobe do bugade gore ndasa amatobe uzinero siribia, so we must have as arongi kabisa se market ya koraki ego jugo obonjolere bwa abalemi n'abantu abanyabiyasara boli na conducive environment egere biyasara biyabona libira koreki biragende igoro tutuale electricity isaine no wet electricity isaine omali one market yeye ebintu mbire bigo kikotigara overnight nyole electricity ndobwati isaine ebintu ebingo kikokoreki kogunda, because we don't have a good supply of electricity and sustainable, reliable.
Wate banga emiradi nero tranchana no mubungora wisi Daniel Manduku timete karabonika emiradi kiyo yugwa kone structure sana kwa kone chibara sana nke kiro cheke tara karekana aziu ugocho so no mubungo so bago chabuno bungora isa gokora
ndiye dangani electricity connectivity. It is very poor at the moment. There are a lot of household, villages, communities, but about the electricity. Abana no school bagutumia elanteni bakabono.
Nyari bali masaba.
Nyari bali masaba. but abugati electricity. A lot of villages, I've done my own survey, nimbuate data everywhere. Every village has a kurende stima miseti pataranyora. Yeah, umanye kogenda chipara. Para nchiyo. Nonya nichito za nandu banyete para yelami. There is what we call routine maintenance. When it occurs, nichibesa bako every year. It has not been done. Asinyali bali masaba. Ogende bara ya Ramasha, Suguta, ekoenda baka Ikorongo. It is in very poor state. No gali injiriwe, no ichipikipi bakumia. Kogende gao. And for the last 4 years, njanya okolero any improvement. Yeah. Ne pare rembe sana. Omanye kogenda dia pare kurwa junction waenda Geteri. It's not possible at the moment. Iye kubwata baka Mansai. It is in a very poor state. So the kumina chibe sanjire jikurwe wororo because we know money is given by Kera. Chiwene to korosi pale. Where has it been going?
Watemere kubwatira lyo mete bali mu kuboli chikura nini munge chi oversight cyo mu bunge watemere kubwatira watemere kwa have consultations na maybe ko tebe bari ne teteka ni teteliuya
tuwa motigete ara agambe miyake agambe tabazo batana tuwa mo chokose na amanyete odebinde bimbiroro na amanyete he knows what he needs to do ode na amanyete na abantu mbwenete accessibility yoko genda the various places nijibese jingurwe uchire. Yeah. So omujumbe na amanyete. We don't have to remind him.
What achiba sankure uchire chiagendana. What do you feel?
Ne rolaje ototebia. Yeah. Naje whatever.
Inoshodo that asna chigo chechesna chigo sirira chigo koramere mo gusa.
Yes. I don't think it's working because nyo jibe jigorwe wa nijipara they are not possible. Ogende ya nyamasibi is not possible. Ogende hotel ya buga pakarogoro. It's not possible. Yeah.
Wanchumwelia tugante ukwana.
Nonya ne yeganyete lami ya Keroga ibacho. It is in poor state. Ebugende ko tuara routine maintenance ya bantu baita. Eganyete lami.
Haya. Kurenga ni gote nkwana ita nkwana ya nene nkwana ya engineer Hilary Nyanga uyo kuliye kuruke wo chumba nsemo ya Nyaribali saba ayakuru kwana ya Fred Kogemba teba is watching live the show ya mwana Fred Kogembo so kubatelia show agoteba Colton Otto agoteba high and soccer TV watching live from Nairobi mbu ya mwana wali wakati simi na bagwa kesimi reni na simi ngorete nya kubate buro linda Jonsi ko siasa engineer Hilary Nyanga na boku mabodi ya siasa chirengete nsemo yibunge Nyaribali masaba na bagwa simi reni na igoire na ndira bongo chikumo kesimi ya masehemo mbekaba aginko iwa inkwana ya oneleliye yobwate boseli boli oneleliye ligochia asomu omushimiwa engineer Hilary Nyanga engineer amasomo chisemi ina chi backbone na chi nenda wate education is the equalizer na Nyaribali masaba ni bwate chi school au Nyaribali masaba bwate chi school 154 schools I think as 113 ni primary schools 41 secondary schools na the last NGCDF ene backbone sana neno sogosira birasi sogosira ko birasi sogosira chibasa lise ebu ensemo yebunge yao ni the allocation ya 2025 2026 niko ya yetu mkarenga chiba selenga ya yetu 192 million shillings 613 iyo like 0.34% yechi basa chance cha beta located go NGCDF in 290 constituencies each arenge 55 billion shillings ultimately do you feel nga basa richa iruru chiana nubuya and what is the state of the primary schools na ichokunyora chiwato mo chano sana kwa secondary schools yeah
nchagre primary schools jiwate mechando sana ndege tangani sanitation chicho chi abana bagutumia 90% are not there as a primary schools as a 113 oranyo ji school jiwate chicho abana jire habitable and safe abana bagutumia without a worry. Each school maybe a G13. About 100 schools require proper sanitation. Chicho, the toilets, pit latrines.
You are speaking what you have seen.
I've even built one. Nganyo school yangu sieko. 2022.
It was
because there was no toilets. The public health officers. You know, when you have no toilet, ote sukuru went go sieko because you are exposing pupils to dangers, to even waterborne diseases. So it was being closed. Kerema Primary School. Ngaenda galia, nga spend my own money. Nga cho a modern, which I said NMP coming to power should take this one as a benchmark. Agaji school chons chichoe kabirei. Endonge ya kwalero. Ase kabirei. Aya umanye kogenda bono ase bursaries. Bursary nyali bali masaba na ira the lowest in Kenya. They give 3,000 shillings as a bursaries. 3,000 to very poor students, batabugati any source of income. Igolende wasomiri abana bataka so that you can equalize. You can make that education an equalizer. As a abana bonsipe. It doesn't have the most schools, nyali bali masaba. There are constituencies with more schools that go up to 8,000 shillings. So the minimum I'd expect, what I'll do myself, is 8,000 shillings for secondary school students.
Kuru 3,000 shillings each one one.
3,000 you bagoro.
But now in the location, you are 92 million shillings.
Yeah.
You when let take again. That's among bursaries na among construction of classes.
Yeah. Yeah. And now on classes, even they were lucky because the education classrooms. The program masaba about the NGCDF. It's not NGCDF. That was Ministry of Education program. You go on NGCDF, anything in the because you couldn't promise it, they are still at stalled level. Yeah.
So personally, I want to have which corres
8,000.
3,000 shillings to 8,000 shillings.
Yeah. And it's possible.
How possible will it be? Na criteria kiyo kutumika kwa
criteria the yango tebiga in general act ya CDF. I was a director representing the engineers of Kenya. Ababanjo waletenga jikobeke yateka. I represented them between 2010 and 2016 to Karosi Act to kaligerelia how this one will help in education. So the money which was put there, January 192, is enough to pay 8,000 shillings for the poor students and to give 100% scholarship to very poor, vulnerable students. Yeah. But all these things, for transparency and accountability, you don't choose yourself. You use public participation. Public participation, they will give you from communities. Abana baribali vulnerable. Baribali abataka kabisa. Babugenda to korake kuligerelu. Na the public participation una inche garana yango kora foot bridges in Kenya between 2004 and 2013. I used public participation for project ownership in the whole Republic of Kenya. Nje na jage the program of pedestrian foot bridges in the slum and the areas of difficult terrain. Yeah.
Nyaribari masaba niba chiskuru una St. Charles Lwanga Ichuni Girls amabuko nyaribari masabere amabuko secondary
yochire
no chire chonse nyaribari masaba chire mubamba cyabo chizukati chiskuru chinde time think kira kiyo gutumeka kwa nokinga you have improved for performance in these schools
na godebia moige susu nje na nyerende paka the level it is moige susu high school mpaka baono isa it became a school of excellence and a STEM school, science, technology, mathematics. Okay? My manifesto, I was talking and I told the people, Yango Beke School of Excellence of every ward. I've already identified.
Every ward?
Every ward a school of excellence.
Chiwadi
Isano. Prudent management of resources. Yeah. Prudent management of resources, NGCDF. I've identified a school, Vangota Secondary School, which is very poorly in a poor state as a school of excellence in Nyamasibi ward. I'll identify Nyangono Secondary School in Kiamukama ward. Yesusu erona ikolete
nere develop tayari
nebwate Masimba, you go to Metembe Secondary School, a school of excellence. Yeah.
Igo otebanga which konekia amasomo nkobari buya. And maybe a process here connecting abana ba chirichi university school, high school. Metinga kiwoji kunyora abana bande bakote form 4, they have these grades, but they are not even able to join universities.
But we shall also give university students bursaries, bursaries from there to assist the parents. University, we can give up to 10,000 shillings. The students going to universities to assist the poor parents. Very vulnerable.
Korenga mwancho mugereria kwa igure nkwana ya engineer Hilary otebanga onye kagochi kobo mubunge bwense munyari masaba ninga gochi komenta ena gosega gochi komenta chibesa chibasi chigwana gochi asa abana kurwa chiri wisato chiri yakote abachigwana nubone gakorenga nere ne chinkenchi saine ninga gochi kuchimenta bika chiri wisano on naisato na nachikwenda kokonya 100% ya aboroki bwebo sebari bali kuru na vulnerable communities osebali batari kuinyara akigima. Engineer Hilary ayenomo engineer o civil engineer. Civil engineer. Nechibara chito nchibwata chishida sana gwakona nechibara echi nga yugo chikurusi allocation nechibara sechi maybe ugo chikone nechibara chinkrosi uchire.
Within we have the money which comes for infrastructure on the roads. What I'll do, my program chipara jigo selekana mostly muna gusi because of poor drainage. I will start by providing proper drainage as a program. It's a program I'm going to embrace. Yokoros drainage, yejipara kwanza. Then we can now move to routine maintenance. When you have good proper drainage, road deterioration takes longer than when you don't have drainage. Yeah.
So hinga timu ruguruchi kwenye kina to maybe to goska mutu gusine manyire sana samangana usige gutwara chimbura chinyinge horoba deya tro deya na mache bado kunyoranga mache gari shiri kunyora skuru getete bwati mache kunyora institution getete bwati mache yani imechano inoro ni less to bwate nende bado to bwate mbure nyinge sana maybe nupoati plans ki bwate which ko ranga ko install boreholes in the big institutions like high schools like primary schools sasa nyoranga necho chire chinchafu abana bakwenda rucha sata mbochi kuya mache ngakiyo marakera mache itabwati binyoro limbiya mache gara make reviving communities water schemes ambeko timeti project ki bwate in terms of tapping water macha dikirembure go to tap for future storages na maybe our implants ke bwate amangana drilling institution boreholes.
Now njagere school na hedeti mo igesusu gana so water was a big problem and ninga nyora na ekra bana bakwenda roje they get bad influence kera baje kuligia match bad influence from the community na bantu batali batatagereti school e correct again. So I make sure my first priority was water provision in the school. I started by roof catchment and the storage tanks. Ngagaja underground tank, 150,000 liters.
By your own money, or say by
school money. School money. Saving from savings. We don't get money to the schools for those kind of programs. You just do savings in the various areas and you put there. So we did that one. Then roof catchment, borehole. By the time I left Moigesusu, I had done 3 boreholes, which were all yielding. So putting a borehole in a school is not a very expensive item if you are committed and ready to help the community. It is between 1.8 and 2.2 million shillings to put a borehole in a school when you have done proper geology study. Yeah.
She institution need to identify maybe or through such programs.
Secondary schools, all of them should get boreholes. All the secondary schools. Then primary schools, you start with a roof catchment, and then you look at the big primary schools first. You provide them with a borehole. Like that. Yeah.
How is the amangana togo tukoswasa amangana ngakia amangana electricity kwanya kwanera timetra kinto nyakwana tuko so wewe how are you going to make sure that chinkechi kwanyora chire accessible to electricity mete kerostimeta yesichiro na bangira mbe kunyana kugacha bintu byabo. Number 2 kerostimeta yesekenyoro amangana ayoboke bako gakoba igari igoro sana ne chinga kichabo tuko timeti how will you tackle such
ekerendo mujumbe number 1 njina gole serikali for close to 37 years aba engineer abonse batenenete ebintu ebi n'abantu abande na signeri for registration n'abandi tu interactive abandi nabwo abana atenenete chikura cyabo bali in various institutions. You follow as a leader. Even if you say in one year tigambu ati word ya kiamukama abanyoro umuriro you would be able to get ekarotabu ati personal interest when you have no personal interest lakini ogenda kuboli ebintu byao it is difficult ebintu byao bikoru na ndo ja kuboli for the community no the problem when leaders put their interest first but they are not into what going to get live kind for the interest of the community. But I've come here because I'm a leader. I've been elected by these people, and I know these are their problems. Yeah.
How is the situation here among Chenu as a constituency so far? When you go to different institutions, you reach dispensary.
Natari sana, Gutarande. Some of them are fairly, or they are fair. They need just sprucing up. Yuskuru na simeka no nemete myself outside parliament na simeka mete asange sana because na linge patron again ya green green conservative organization na simeka mete una bokibaruli kujia likorongo yuskuru jiange desa tugenda orbono na simeka between 2021 and 2022 some of them are small forests. Na ande Kenya man has me kilometer everywhere. In all my projects, and I got there all the projects I was running. Got there na every site meeting. It was make a keromondomot to green Kenya, and you know it's not expensive to plant a tree, and they leave maybe maintenance for about 6 months. Moto yokina, yeah.
Yo mangane wa Chenu se constituency yao tego kwa mochanda mono na community.
No, in the sense that we must improve from where they are. Yeah. Yes.
Do you think of getting a bigger hospital in your constituency? And maybe we may identify us, maybe Oranyari. Apart Kakaroka.
Enya gitari wano tiango tebiga. Enya gitari ya kerogeri ya gaju gali. Ya level 4.
Ya level 4.
Eli gali keroka gali. It was part of my effort. Nje na teneji enya gitari yangu aji salamu mugai Nairobi. Nairobi when the President Uhuru was doing those programs. Tukagenda karango para State Lodge Kisii. I'm the one who did State Lodge Kisii. Nyanjwa egali. Ngaimu GPS yane ngamote itogenda ka. Ngamuira bakali keroge nyagitali eri ya stalled because it had stalled. Ngamote among as ibintu biri biko funded iganda gitonko nyeki. That's how the money came. So as a jiri I'll just need to upgrade them and expand and make sure the medicines are there. Yeah. At the moment is making sure you expand them, you provide water, because water is a necessity for everywhere, especially even in hospitals. Without water, and then that's not a hospital. Make sure there is water, and then make sure the medicines are there. Yeah, Mariogo, akurwali abantu.
Sange chinga ki kutukowali gwali kengeli omwiso kegima. Mubunge bwensemo yebunge yokuwali bobunge na. Yambali masaba no montoro serikali gasote serikali goterese kyamajya ODM korenga. Igare serikali na asaba chumba bodi bari me serikali ngati yaye. Wakona yamangana ya infrastructure chibara chikutokota wabu yani kistima. Kwani serikali tena mwabesa gose ngaichigo sera kera serikali kerangene serikali siku hizi bateba magana ria gocha bwangu kwego bateba bago kama bareta magendero
bago kama
okamira letera magendero so far maybe tu
ngetindanyarora so far tindanyarora because no one biria bugate the ones which are within is docket among NGCDF. You do better, you show people by example that you are utilizing their funds properly. Yeah. If you have not done that one, you go to a kerenge again and you go other projects, you know, to me the resources are there. You sports every year. Njirani kwa sports chia kwa ru as a constituency ngima. Chibe say chia to make it. Because there is sports money. There is environment money in the NGCDF.
Timaitirende maybe mwochi kubora ni karomwa chire ground. Mheshimiwa ile Hirari. Timaitinga ki oralgerie kamera ya ugari arafu kurugabu nabo okukwana nomenyi unyaribari masaba watayire makomanite nabantawa ya abuko bakwana kabisa arafu nabukwanere asekanga yao yoko musabe kura munyabari masaba gusibo chole bone bo mwaka 2025
Banyaribari masaba yangu bakwana ende biyamano sana nimaite wiki yene wiki eliende mwatwara jikambi na batalira abandi alsena anyara senta anyara na tuma makwani ane yango bakwani naende weirere mbiyamule yanda ide ko baboli ya nyomo tagito burayi oboronge ojugo jaso mwaka goja 2027 muligererie ochora abantu bayo bakorere gasi amangana estima amangana ijipara amangana ya mache muna maje mumanyete asenale na arosiri jinsoko within Nyaribari masaba nonya tindi bunge aliya makanda aliyetale ikorongo na rosi kidogo ase ko nyora maje masafi nimbwate vision ya Nyaribari masaba na gitura kole to excel to kole binde bironge abantu baito banyare go konyora ogosemeria estima nimbwate data as estimatali constituency ngima itaraba connected ina mangana nda babwate kabisa gonye veka mune program ya fast ikoro kuna rapid results initiative mwako mutangani torena gitura akonya abantu baito konyola estima gara abana kera bagwira na nyomba mogoroba banyora si bagosomera egara to improve education amangane para nuko make sure no onde buna inja person na inde mo manyete ama hands on person tinu jugo tigera bantu bajikurani ebinto bia constituents ebinte ebingo jugo bebuat on a very regular basis konyora reports na go check myself go check na egasi ya kodru uneta kere koba amani skuru iganda gete to kore improvement entangani una day schools iganda ajage program ikoro kuna school feeding program na litura riteni abana ba day school mba yugoli lanjinka iye tali konyolekana sangina abayiboli mbabu atilanji and it's possible korosi ekwerende na jete Brazil 2010 benchmarking on how developed funds are used to ajete na bajumbe ko parliament abane by implementary in the areas bako lanji as school ya day school egera abana aliura tuale retention ya abana bali igalia na barabu ekero ko lanji igali school abayiboli bali bakole melia around the schools banyole faida soko ni melia bi school ebi egendo kende amangane jipara kuigato jirosi egere melibi abalemi banyora sibakoira obo amache to bwate mbule nyinge gotwa lakini muragero boje mitinyebere paka chinge ni chiabora iganda yetu jikoli eliase muna water pans tokoros water pans abantu banyora amaje bakora irrigation at least chinge ni egere muragero ligusi mitinyebere tato abantu mbako umia mono kuligi chingini yale because ya maji ali na wakora irrigation ya ege ticha kiao kwanyora chingini throughout so aso go conserve maji ase chipan ase gusi ase mbule go twinyingete kwa na yonsi nyanja yatigara nke eko ba konya so golemi igali ni chombe kunywa maji mangana value addition nimba kolere egere tuanyora amagoli amaronge ase bimeri byeito egendo kende ukoligie market ya mangana ito na matoke avocado tuligie market isiko tuanyora amagoli amaya ase bimeri byino na inu ekera mu konyora mwarusirie bigali mwanyora kibesa kiri chiko ba compensate aso kolega asiengia mogondo employment we go to jagere constituency abakubu bonse pi bajagere ko invest inka unless iteli inka yao egere kwanyora naye no ligeta abantu batano abantu 10 munomo umurai because employment eli konyolekana Nairobi all the time ose Mombasa employment ko ikejagere korosi kunka mangana value addition abatebia cold rooms as a collection centers igine chigasora akari turabe to korosia gera abantu baito bajinyole igonje nimbwate vision yengia asa abantu banyali bali masaba yango babolia ngakiye mundi gereri boronge monge chikura nje ko bakorere gas nani ko bakorere gas nenkore yemo ndabuga ati personal interest na ende nje nimbwate experience na ende na itire bote tiniko jugoligi besa nguju kweligeria nguju bakorere gas una abantu bali banjolire na ende njusie mangana CDF ebe properly managed na mangana application of loans ejijia basari yango jikora online muna na bate last time online kurwe every town to duara online yagara to reduce expenses chia bayiboli go travel ojikoligi form masimba ejinde chiasira ejinde banyora mbali konyora ba obisa baraba bali abayenenu bagora manona abantu bagire koligi form eji igo mbwadesi chikura nje ko bakorere gasi endonge nje ninde tayari biya mono sana abantu banyali bali masaba
Mbia mono engineer Hilary Nyanga sogo ikamie studio korenganga wasabire kuro yao no momenyo nyari bali masaba korenga bakichukura wikabonega bakirange chiri buwe merongene na batano mwega 46000 voters dimeti sina that's the total number ya nyari bali
no they are 40
last time I got 42
maybe around they are approaching 50 actually.
They are approaching 50
yeah
kaongia manton comment kanabari karenganga ba koigure na ende bachi konyara gusira nene karu chikoliyo wera yesentune ya kabire twagotakira maya ase ganga yo kuriyo bwechumbe nseseme yo nabo igokirari chingaki igoro welcome digo chinyigite seni yen soko TV
mbia mono sana ko host na gokire sana yeah
mbia mono kibusanya sago sisi mwancho mwelia cha tuko kideka emeronge 3 igoro yechite chinsenya chiabona botuke chumapiri yega tuko chikokora beno somurubiri yega to batamangana maya kura twatwarire kwana na engineer Hilary Nyanga kwa igura maroraye anene hase maya aje to chikobakora bamenyi bensemo yebungi nyari bali masawa ime county ya Kisii echikobekana kwene kinga anene habana konyora bare amasomo ari hayekerengo okay igoro kemgima habuno ngo ikiro mwelio botkwalere kwana anere Hilary Nyanga nabo yekero kwanya tamangana maya oyer gonkonya asense muye bimenye ritari onde gutatiga nsaro makirbo na mega yemenyoncho nigotoma bwate balna sondario ibone kinga chibi chamana mariyo gibunaya ngo ikirare senchera ere yobo ene ho ikarankino rituko twara gutuko bosenirie bye bye.
Thank you.